Good morning. Diary of a bedroom producer. Right, just gonna pack everything away and get started on the day. It's a sad day. I've run out of Ginkgo biloba. I'm not gonna be able to remember anything now. It's an odd job this morning. From the other side. Do you know what tempo the one that you wanted was? I'm guessing it's slow. I'm gonna guess 95.
89.
Okay. We're doing a minor. I don't think major would suit that what you want. So like this, what I just did, like those chords there.
Yeah, that sounds right to me.
You wanting them more like long out like this. So you like the long ones, don't you normally?
Definitely for this type of
I'm guessing you want it kind of like real sounded as well.
Yeah, if we can.
Yeah, so I'm using the soft piano. The soft piano is the
Yeah, I feel like that'll work.
I love the soft piano. It's called Labs. I've probably mentioned it before, but it's free for you broke producers. I don't know what you mean. Where?
So I mean, obviously on a different.
Oh, yeah.
A different pattern, but where we have sort of the chords, it'd be so it's like they're played three. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit shorter.
What, you still want it there?
No, you can move it forward a bit.
I just think it's not. You all like that, or do you want it a bit more swing?
A bit more swing. Yeah. Maybe shorter than that actually, just so there's a bit more. See how it sounds like.
Like that.
Do you wanna go to the other side?
This one actually works better.
Let's go to the other sec so I can hear it better.
Do you wanna go to the other side? Do you wanna go to the other side? Do you wanna go to the other side?
Closing time at the studio today. Leaving the window open because it's hot in here.
That's what you do, by the way, if you're wondering why you shut it with the light.
I haven't actually explained that, yeah.
Yeah.